My extended family needed a bit more space in our semi-detached house. We were looking to get a rear dormer and hip to gable loft conversion. I was recommended LMB by my next door neighbour. Quite soon after contacting them, I met Ricky, the sales director. She visited our house and she put my mind at ease. I had quite a lot of questions for her. I wanted to be really sure before embarking on such a big project. Quite soon after meeting her, I decided to sign the contract. Once the work commenced, we worked very closely with Ollie, the project manager, who made sure that everything was done on time and within budget. We had a lot of tradesmen come into my home and they were very conscientious. They worked very hard, they cleaned up after themselves, and it was a pleasure to have them around. My whole family are absolutely thrilled with the work. Not just the extra space, but the quality of the workmanship is second to none. It's especially nice having an ensuite bathroom. We're just so happy to, be able to come up here and relax. It's like a private sanctuary.